Customizing machine settings. You can customize the machine settings in the setting mode. Press the Set Mode key to enter the setting mode. There are 5 setting modes. Machine setting mode, Sewing setting mode, Embroidery setting mode, Wireless LAN setting mode, Language setting mode. For example, let's customize the thread cut after auto lock. Press the Sewing Setting Mode tab to open the Sewing Setting Mode window. Turn on the thread cut after auto lock. To activate your custom setting, press the OK key. The machine trims the threads automatically after the locking stitches are finished.